Good morning, my name is Steven and welcome aboard the Celebrity Summit. We're inside cabin number 8112, which is a concierge class cabin. Never have I ever done celebrity before, but never have I ever done concierge before. So we're in this special cabin. It's a step above the veranda category, but it's a step below the retreat as well. So we're here somewhere in the middle for you, and we're talking about all the amenities that come inside this cabin. Let's start. So like always, we're gonna start our cabin tour here at the front door, where you can find your safety briefing, where you need to go in case of an emergency. Then off to our left, we can find some closet space, which when you're in a concierge cabin, you get some nice robes for you and your loved ones. And there is a umbrella, and they do give you a laundry bag, and laundry service is an option. It is not complimentary. It does cost extra, but it is there for you in case if you want it. Of course, there's hangers for you as well, and quite a bit of shelving on the bottom. Then up on top over here, we have our life vest, which only has one. We're gonna have to get a second one because there's two of us in this cabin. Over here to our left, there is a cabinet, which you can find a few glasses, some wine and champagne glasses, and then you can store some other stuff in here as well. And the safe, simple code-based safe. You can go ahead and lock your valuables, particularly maybe documents, because I don't really think you can fit anything like a laptop. Well, you definitely can't fit a laptop, but maybe you could fit a GoPro in there, and that's probably going to be it. Here's a drink that costs money. We have lots of drawers for you to go ahead and, okay, that was locked. Drawers for you to go ahead and store things in. Over here is the mini fridge, which, comes loaded with some drinks and snacks, which does cost extra. It is cool that they give that to you, I suppose. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the bathroom, which is the opposite side of the closet. And your pretty standard fare bathroom when it comes to a cruise. It is quite tight a space. Here's a sink, here's your toilet, trash can, here's all your towels. There are some cups as well. They do provide you a bar of soap and some body lotion, which is kind of nice. Here is the shower. The glass door does push open. It comes with some nice soaps, body wash, shampoo, conditioner, standard shower head, a good string to go ahead and hang your clothes to dry. Standard shower setup. It is adjustable in height. Can I fit in here? Yes, it's a little roomy on the sides, not too much room there, but as far as height is concerned, I am about 5'8", so I do have a little bit of space here, but for those of you who are taller, might have a little bit of a struggle in this bathroom for sure. One thing I do want to complain is that the doors, when you come in, you have to close it. It's a little tough. You gotta like squeeze back in here in order to open and close the door. Definitely, the Summit is a 2001 ship. Its age does show a little bit because I don't believe they make the bathrooms like that anymore. And that's the bathroom. Now on to the main attraction, of course, the bed. The best part, this bed is a king-size bed, according to Celebrity. It does split into two in case if you have people you do not want to share a bed with. It'll go into a standard twin-size, two standard twin-size beds. Then over here we have some drawers, a little nightstand. There is a switch for you to go ahead and turn the lights off right here in case if you don't want to get up and you're really tired. Here's a lamp that's come to the other side of the bed. The really cool thing is this lamp, which is on the nightstand, has some plugs for you. So you can go ahead and plug in two AC outlets or two USBs as well. So that's quite nice. Good thing that Celebrity added that. Then over here is a nice little chair that does convert into a bed, pulls out. Not sure if it's the most comfortable bed in the world, but it is a bed nevertheless. And when you are sleeping, you have a perfect view of the television. Very nice. We have the little desk area, which comes with a nice mirror that does light up. It actually is a really nice mirror, I won't lie. You'll find when you come aboard, you'll have all your documentations, anything that you need or that you are going to be told about. So concierge class information, your celebrity today, that stuff will be here on the desk for you. Nice comfortable chair, bunch of drawers for you to go ahead and open up. Then this is the light switches as well. This one controls the outside balcony light, and this one controls on the right the mirror light, and there's two plugs, two USBs, and the other one that's not American. Out here, the main attraction, the balcony, which Jalen is over here just sitting and relaxing. Let's go ahead and go out and take a look. Comes with 2 reclining chairs, a table, and
a J-Lens.
It does not come with J-Lens. J-Lens are not included in your concierge.
However, I'll always take a free cruise.
But here is our beautiful view of Miami. Oh, lovely, isn't it? So that is everything that is in the concierge class cabin. Of course, there are a few other amenities that this does come with. I did mention the robes. You do get concierge service. You can go down. There's a separate concierge desk for you to go to instead of going to the regular guest services desk. Generally going to be a much quicker line depending on the day and depending on who's there and what problems are going on. Then we had a welcome aboard lunch that was included. That was really nice in the main dining room. Other things included are some binoculars that we should be able to use. Not sure how to get it. There will be canopies delivered to your room, so if you want to have a nice snack before dinner, they will be delivered to your room, just to let your stateroom host know. There is a sparkling wine that is an option for you to have delivered to your cabin. All you have to do is let your stateroom attendant know, and they will be glad to deliver it for you. And that's pretty much it as far as concierge. Thank you so much for watching this room tour. Hopefully we were able to show you everything that you're interested in and made a decision on whether or not you want to be in this cabin or a cabin similar to this. If you want to know more about what it's like to actually sail in a concierge class cabin on board Celebrity Summit, feel free to check out our vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. As always, this isn't a goodbye, but just a see you real soon.